Museum, do you think? Almost. I mean, it feels that way to me, because this is a giant sort of poster of the space station, and you can see the places that we would like fly through all the way through, and this is a whole other part of the space station. Our space station is like from one side of a football field to another, and we're getting to see all the kinds of experiments and all these things that are inside, sometimes a place to put our feet. And then we've got different kinds of experiments. Here's Robonaut here in the corner. And for me, it's just like being home. Here's a robotic arm controller. And here at the Springfield Museum, they've got a robotic arm that kids can play around with and figure out how to make it work. We have all sorts of videos that show what it's like to live and actually work and do science in space. And then my favorite place, come over this way, is looking out here at the cupola, which makes me think of what it was like to just be home on the space station and get to look at the Earth and feel like I was home no matter where we were, because space is home for all of us. What a great place. Come see this exhibit, Space Station at the Springfield Museum.